Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. So let's start with our pre-market analysis. Let's start with the US market. Yesterday, the Dow Jones closed at 31 points negative, Nasdaq closed at 29 points negative, and S&P 500 closed at 7 points negative. So very flat trading session was in US market. At the time of recording, the US 30 is trading at 30 points positive. Now let's talk about FIA and DIA data. Yesterday, the foreign institutions they sold close to 1900 crores, and domestic institutions they bought close to 3600 crores. Now, at the time of recording, the SGX Nifty showing a flat opening. Let's see where the pre-market opens. Now, Asian markets are all in positive, so very good start for our Asian markets. Now, US oil, the crude oil is around $59. So it is at its sweet spot, but still I believe the further downfall we can see in crude oil. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. What a volatile session. I remember yesterday I told you that risky traders can take long positions here at 26,000 levels, and from there we saw a one direction move close to 26,000 250 240, and from there we again came back to our opening, and from there the market closed at 26,186. So yes, it was a very volatile session. As an option trader, if you would have not taken the trade right at the opening, in the middle you would have not gotten any trade, right? So it was just a very sideways market, sideways to up move market. As an option trader, it's very difficult for you to understand this market and trade in this market. The support is obviously at 26,000. Resistance is 26,250. Now today, the very important data is there that today at 10 p.m. the RBI chairman, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, he will be presenting whether the interest rate will be down or not. So we have to watch it very closely. What will be the RBI interest rate decisions? I am expecting no change, and I believe the market is positioning its price according to a no change rate. So let's see what happens at 10 p.m. 10 a.m. in the morning. It will be the report. Now after 1 hour after the market opens. Now Bank Nifty closing at 59,643. The support is 59,500 and resistance is obviously 60,000. Now two important things we have to look very closely. The first is today the RBI interest rate decision, and next week the Fed interest rate decisions. So we have to watch these two events very closely, because based on these two events, the next 3 to 6 months the trend will be decided. So we have to watch it very closely. Since the rupee is at all-time lows, today we saw some correction, we saw some recovery, but still it is around 90 rupees per dollar. The IT sector will be the most benefiting sector from this, because the highly exports that happen in IT software. Second is metal. I really like Vedanta. Watch Vedanta very closely. I think metals in general will do very good, and IT Vedanta will be my first pick. So look at Vedanta, buy on dips. It's very good stocks. So available in futures. Current market price is around 513 futures, so you can start accumulating Vedanta. So thank you for watching. I hope you would have learned a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.